Hey, Mike from Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. Here with StarCraft SunChaser Geneva 20 PSB. It's a SunChaser specific layout. Comes today in emerald green with a nice tan interior to teak weave vinyl floor. Really great boat. Capacity tag of 10. Sits 6, 8, 10 people really comfortably in here. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look with me? So, like I said, this is a very specific layout just from our friends at SunChaser. So this piece is where it's real cool. So you do have your captain's seat, and this functions as a place for that co-captain to sit and have a nice conversation, especially nice when it's just 1 and 2 people. The cool thing about this is this boat, as it fills up, you may want to flip this seat, which creates additional seating here, or even better, a lounge space for anyone who wants to lay out, read a book, take a nap, hang out on that phone. Really nice option back here. As we take our next item here, we have a power bimini top. So this opens and closes with just the push of a button. A really nice feature on our new pontoon boats that we offer. It's simple and it's a really nice addition to your boat and make your summer a little bit better. As we get here to the captain's seat, we do have tilt steering. It's something we're offering standard on all of our boats this year. So we got steering wheel tilts. It allows the driver to put that steering wheel where he wants it, where he's comfortable. We also have a cell phone holder here. We have a wet sound stereo system, as well as a Humminbird Helix 5 depth finder fish finder that will also give you your speed and your water temperature. So really nice features here on this SunChaser. With everything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, 2 fenders included, a full tank of gas, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, on-water lesson to make sure you're confident, comfortable to drive it. And we're going to handle all your titling and registration needs in the house. Makes this buying experience as simple as possible so you can be on the water and enjoying your time as quickly as possible. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.